Okay, at first just click the Visual Studio Code. Okay, at first make sure you have installed the Flutter extension. Okay, you just click it and search Flutter. Okay, okay. If you are already install, but if it cannot show, you just click the View tab and just click the Command Palette. Okay, then you click View. Then you click Flutter New Project, and then you click Application. Okay, select the path where you want to save it. Okay, and just click the desktop, create a new file folder. Now, okay, select the path. Now enter. Okay. Okay. Now the Flutter project is ready. Just wait. Do not do anything. It can install. Okay. Now it can install. Okay, just wait few minutes. It is installed. Then you can use it. Okay.